Alright, here is our first distillation. Our distillation flask where our mixture, in which we have the unreacted butanol, sulfuric acid, hydrobromic acid, as well as our main product of interest, bromobutane. Of all of these compounds, it's bromobutane that we wish to collect, and we expect it to have the lowest boiling point. However, this is not a simple distillation. This is a special kind of distillation. This is known as steam distillation. What we will collect is steam, which is water vapor that will condense and flow out here. But together with it, it will also collect our bromobutane. This is a special kind of distillation that's very common in natural products industry. A lot of essential oils that you see in the market are actually distilled out using steam distillation. So how do we know when we are at the end of this distillation? How do we know that we are to stop our distillation? We can monitor the temperature, and if we look at the temperature right now, it's actually very close to 100 degrees. It's visible using this camera. However, that's not our guiding factor. The way we know that we are at the end of our distillation, where we have collected water vapor that condenses to water, and our product, our organic product, whatever it is, or a mixture of products, whatever they are, is when we stop collecting the organic component. You see right now what we have collected is cloudy, and the reason why it's cloudy is because it's not pure. It's a mixture of water and organic compound, hopefully bromobutane. We will know we are at the end of our distillation when we will not collect any more bromobutane. So how will we know that, especially when everything is colorless here? What we will do is we will test with some DI water in a test tube. We'll move out this collection flask and we will let few drops of our distillate pour into this test tube. If it is pure water, we will see a single layer inside, no phases, no cloudiness. But if it is a mixture produced by the fact that we already have DI water inside and we collect some bromobutane in here, then we will see the bromobutane droplet easily separate out and be on the top. Now if it was denser, if the organic compound was denser, it would go to the bottom. In either case, whenever we see two phases, we know that we are still collecting the organic phase, and that means we must stop. I have laid out a few test tubes with DI water in them. We may not need all of them, or we may need all of them, and we will see as the distillation progresses at what point we will stop. And that point we will take our Erlenmeyer flask, the collecting flask, and then we will proceed with extraction.